So ice cold, good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing a hair review, well, unboxing of hair. So here's the package. So, and this is how the hair comes. The hair is from DYNASTY. Hold on. And you also receive a pen. They give you a thank you letter. And you also get like this guide to like help you maintain your hair and like their products. And they have like, I guess people that promote their hair on here, and they just got like they different, like they curler, they little edge brush with lashes, and just some people that promotes their hair. And it also tells you how to take care of your hair, like just stuff to maintain it. And that's good. Next, for the part, we finna open the hair. So I'm not gonna say this video is sponsored because it's not, but they did send me their hair to review. But I have purchased hair from them before this video. So let's get into the hair. So I have 4 bundles in the closure. So this is how their hair comes packaged. It has their brand name. It tells you what the hair is and the inches. So it's bubblegum curly hair. So this is the closure, and it's in an 18-inch closure, and it's silk. Not silk, I'm sorry, it's a lace closure. And this is how your bundles come packaged. So I have a 20, a 22, 24, and 26. So let's start with the 20-inch bundle. So when you get your bundles, they come in this packaging, which it's pretty nice, you know. Your bundles are safe and secure. And then your bundles also come wrapped with like a hairnet. And here is the hair and the weft. So this is the 20-inch. It's real soft. Ooh. Okay. Now this open the 22. I mean, they all gonna pretty much look the same. Again, it come with the hairnet, and they're like tight curls. You see that? It's so pretty. And this is the weft. Like they come like, their wefts are a decent size. Like they're not small for what you get. And moving on from the bundles, let's open the closure. So the closure comes with the hairnet as well, and this is what the closure looks like. It's lace, and it comes like with already some baby hairs out, and this is what it looks like. You know, it's really soft here. And like, I've ordered for this company before, like I said previous. So I like the quality of their hair. I've never had a problem with their hair. Like my hair doesn't shed. Like all hair sheds, but it doesn't shed like as you, like right now, like as I'm going through the hair. Like you're not getting like, it's nothing. Nothing. Well, nothing. But to me, like, curly hair, it shades. It's curly hair. So it's like, I don't know. But, so, this is the closure. I've never had a problem with their shipping. Like, normally their shipping takes a week. So if I place my order on a Friday, I would normally get it on the following Friday. Let's see what else. I think that's about it. I will come back with another video showing you the hair installed. And with this hair, I think I will be dyeing this hair, and I will come back and show y'all the product after I've dyed it. Well, I think I'm just going to come back with the install. So after I get my hair installed, I will come back and show you guys how it looks, what happened, if the curls got any looser, or if they maintain their tightness. But, you know, that's what I will do. So I'm going to come back with an updated video of my hair after I get it installed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any requests for any other type of videos, just feel free to let me know in the comment section. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe before you leave. Hit that subscribe button before you leave. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!